This 2026 Grand Design Momentum M-Class 399M is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 44 feet 10 inches in length and features an ARTISAN interior, sleeps 6, refrigerator, TV antenna, awning, TV, microwave, skylight, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, outdoor entertainment, patio deck. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Grand Design Momentum M-Class 399M is 19,408 pounds. This 2026 Grand Design Momentum M-Class 399M. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.